one of the things that they would sometimes talk about was Wendy's career, right?
That's correct.
Okay, and I tried to play a call on that subject, but we had the wrong call attached, so I'm going to publish that at this time. Judge, this is on State's Exhibit 99, call 2873. If we could start at 7:08, please.
I don't know if I told you this. I got Wendy to accept that job with Walt.
Oh yeah, give the jurors a chance to get settled. We'll start it over.
To accept that job with Walt.
With who?
She told me she was going to accept, like after I got
Going on with, with the judge and other stuff from this firm. Dan, go put your shirt on.
So I don't know if I told you this. I got Wendy to accept that job with Walt.
With who?
She told me she was going to accept, like after I got done on the walk with her, she said she was going to accept that job. She was thinking about not taking it.
I think because it's not what she wants, but it's only about...
But I said, Wendy, first of all, there's no time frame on it. Right. And if you change your mind, you change your mind. So, but you'll pick up skills you don't have.
Right.
And
that's right.
Basically, now's not the time to just chill and become a guidance counselor in Miami. Like, you're way overqualified.
But she can't get hired anyway. There's like nothing there.
No, they offered her a job at UM. The dean called her up at UM.
Oh, she didn't tell me that.
Yeah, but it would have been basically like as a...
Yeah, she's not qualified to be a guidance counselor.
Not a guidance counselor, an advisor or whatever it was. Like, she's like, no, it's basically, it would have been brainless work for her.
Mm.
She said, the way she said it, she said even the dean called her up to ask her to take the job.
Yeah.
But the thing is, I'm like, Wendy, you have to get as much skill as you can now. If this is a skill you just got done telling me you don't really know how to do, now's the time to go learn that skill, not later.
Right.
Like, you need to learn it. So at least you can learn it and say you don't like it, you can learn it, you can make a bunch of money. That's the whole thing, is that she can, I'm like, Wendy, then you might as well do it to see if you even like it. She's like, well, it's not really what I like.
But she's never done it.
Right, but you've never done it. So you really don't know until it's like dentistry. Until you practice dentistry, you don't really know what it's like.
Exactly.
So I got her to do that, and then the other thing I was going to tell you is she asked me if Dave could come to the house for Mother's Day.
Oh, she asked you?
Yeah, if I would mind. And I said, of course I mind. Don't bring him. I told her, I said, yeah, bring him. She texted me the other day. And I said, yeah, bring him, the more the merrier.
Why not? It's fun.
Yeah, I don't care.
Listen, I wouldn't care if you take the kids and her and Dave out on the boat for an hour.
Oh, yeah.
Not like a fool. Just to help,
whatever we do. But, yeah, no, I told her, of course, bring him. I mean, I'm sure you'd rather him go spend the day with him than you anyway. That's the best Mother's Day present you could have given me. Go spend the day with him.
You know what? I'm actually I'm happy. As you know, I'm super happy.
Yeah.
Oh
yeah, no, I thought that would be your best Mother's Day present this year. Wendy wants to bring Dave.
Yeah.
She's developing a brain.
She's developing a brain. That's right. And you know what? I have to walk away from him. And good friends have been. But he's not, and both boys are not very good at fucking kissing, and it always makes one feel bad. It's kind of their boys, they're just not. But they girls are more kissy. So I said to her, then, I said, people who love you hug and kiss. I said, that's what Grandma and Grandpa always want to get a hug and a kiss. And I said, well, I always did that with my mommy and daddy, and I did that with my children, and I do that with my grandchildren. So he said, yeah, it's like Dave and Mommy. They're hugging and kissing all the time because they love each other. I said, yeah, I guess so. So, you can never hide anything in front of the children. Once they have a mouth, they open it up and they tell you everything.
Yeah. No, that's great. I mean, listen, Wendy just doesn't comprehend at all how lucky lucky she is.
So she doesn't.
It doesn't like register in her head how lucky she is at all. No, but not even like nothing. It's just, which is great. Yeah, but at least she doesn't see herself as a victim anymore, which is great too.
I'm just happy to hear that she is spending more of her time with it. That's great.
Yeah, no, see.
All right, so now.